Hello, welcome to the Liam and Kyron show.
We got Kyron.
The pavilions, got the drink, and we're about to watch the fireworks.
4K 120, you know, we're trying an iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Where's Jack?
What's Jack doing?
I'll be in the vlog.
There's another bit over there, but you know. We've got to do the fireworks once a year.
We're just watching from over here. Oh, I don't know.
Hello, Jack. How you are?
Hello, sunshine.
There was a bit over there by the end of the tree, man.
Yo, crazy lady following us, what the fuck?
Leave me alone,
Lord Jesus Christ.
She wants
Strombo and Orange Man's there as well.
signing up.
Signing up to be a Mongol.
Oh my God, he's got the TLAKS.
TLAKS.
What the fuck was that? She was just standing behind us and I was looking at her. Oh, wait, she tried that long enough.
You can pause videos, look. You're drinking pop.
Old lady. Do you want a cup of tea? Come over here.
No, I don't know.
Met seen Karen in a long time.
Literally, we ain't seen me in a long time. I've always been in.
I know, it's been like August.
Oh, that's freezing. Why would I wear shorts?
After this, we might get some chocolate and shit.
TLAKS bush
Where are we
uniform.
going to get chips from, man?
Literally right next door, so Marius and I'll pay £5.
Mate.
I'm filming in 4K 120.
Hold on. I can actually film it for. I got the last model and the new Google came out as well.
No, you should have bought the Samsung S24 Ultra.
Nah. I'll tell you what the Google phone's done. Actually, that cool.
My
Pop.
drink.
My pop. My pop. My pop. My pop. The way me goes, but the bongo. Shout out the retard cop.
Stop being a
It's like I want to watch you weep. I scare you when you sleep.
Have a whiff for that.
Whiff of fags.
Skyrim at Christmas.
He's wearing the Sideman merch because it's Monk.
If I am
I'm wearing no merch. I'm just wearing.
You're in Nike.
Adidas.
Leo. Cat cost me 10 Robux.
10 Roblox North Face.
My hat.
That cost 10 Robux.
He keeps robbing people.
10 Robux. I think he's dated Abigail.
Kyron's blind. You is blind.
Where's your glasses, boss?
I don't know, man.
You only got all you need to
You did. You wear them last week. Harry Potter. Yeah. Gorg, you gotta put that inside.
Huh?
Glass.
Yeah, I will.
Magic on floor.
No, I'm not carrying it round. That's stupid.
1 second later, Jack.
Fucking you.
Give it a boner, Liam. Go on.
Oh, is he?
Still down there. Josh, do you want to go explore for Scary Lady?
No.
Crazy lady. Let's go on a hunt.
Go on a hunt.
Right, intimidating, you know.
We call it Scary Lady.
Is she still there? I can't see. My eyesight's bad.
Can you see her just there?
Nah.
I put the tone to this. Look, I can change the tone.
Careful, everyone. Come on.
Oh yeah, I can see. Look.
Pressed up against it.
Playing with shitty plastic toys that cost £5 and break in 3 days. Woohoo! Spastic spinning plastic. Oh, watch the fireworks. Diane.
An arrow. Into Kyron.
Welcome, Josh. How's the view over there? Any better?
I haven't seen them yet, so yeah. I don't know. Really? Haven't done some. Mongo.
Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah.
We don't drink cock anymore.
Yeah, no, with Diane.
Between Harriet and Diane.
Not crazy woman with Diane.
Crazy woman's with Diane.
Who's crazy woman?
The one that watched us when we was down there.
Was it that mad one that in King's Eve? He looks in the bins, just to wipe with the tissue.
No, not that one. It's the one who's talking to Diane.
Diane, unwell.
For kids, maybe.
Where's Kyron and Lim? Ran away. Go. Walking from the darkness. You got cock, how criminal.
But it's not sugar. I hate sugar in
But it's
here.
cock. We like peppies. I know. Fireworks. Fireworks. Had a bang. TNT.
Yeah, by the way, yeah.
Crabs.
The women are all fucking bitches, man. We're not fucking
The next one, Josh. I'm waiting.
That's only one test firework. Where's the fireworks? Our redemption.
You have to get there free with it on. Say I'm working in there.
He made that himself.
Guilty. I was been watching X Factor, man, get the jacket. Got another jacket on, another jacket.
Told you my dad's funny, innit?
He made that himself, you know, at his own little club. It's TLAKS travel.
Oh.
Bushes.
You do check? Oh, that's good.
Quarantined.
Fireworks. They don't start in the next 10 minutes. I'm on my way home. Done with the fireworks.
Yeah, where are they, Josh? I know they're not started yet.
You've lied to me, mate. Mate, you've spread some fake news to us.
Dirty Harry. That's a song, you know, from Gorillaz.
You know, I spent 20 quid on Dirty Harry.
Yeah, have you ever heard of Gorillaz' Dirty Harry?
What song have you been listening to?
No, it's called Harry.
Are we getting scammed? And then this morning,
I know, it's free Robux.
they're getting scammed.
Yeah, you have to warm it up because you have to get it hot to make it with milk.
Who ate all the pies? Who ate all the pies? Mark Simmons did. He ate all the pies.
I know Mark Simmons. What's happening now? Come on, son.
Thank you, mate.
It's still going? Yeah, they still can't see anything like £4 and how much it down there.
Fireworks. They said 8:45, the lying bastards. It's only the starter ones, though. We didn't waste it, but I've got a drink.
Josh is recording the vlog. Hello, vlog. Fireworks are starting.
Party did 2 hours because I had wiring issues.
Start now, Josh.
Magic stuff. That is fuming. Beer, and we got fireworks. Show on. There's more. I'd rather you stuff them in my pocket, I can't reach. I'm holding one Carlsberg.
There's something wrong with the wiring.
Those them big ones. And
One year, he come over here and set a tree on fire. About 3 years before that, one come over and he set somebody on fire nearly. He was so loud, man.
bang! That's some Disney shit.
Plus game.
Disney game. Warned out. say it's away. You watch your drink.
Can you hear that cat? It's getting disturbed.
Got blew up by the firework. Poor cat, man.
Josh, you better put that.
Can you hear that cat screaming over there? He gone crazy.
Because I don't like the big bang. One sec, I'll stand up. It's past one.
Try not to get hit with gunpowder gun.
Yeah, definitely
Starburst and
What's Starburst?
That's a sweet.
I know. Corin's very amazed. He says, oh, this is better. It's like when we moved faster. I said, this is slow.
there's a starburst.
Sweets. They're called sweets.
That's not bad.
Why don't we just go down to the
That's not bad.
Trees getting in the way and it bloody hell getting worse.
Apparently it's wide over the Corks Club, so like next time go to
Trees
Corks.
getting all fucking big. Never used to get that big.
I can still hear that fucking cat, man.
You still have to give me the video for Brighton.
Oh no, because my laptop's too much.
I think that's it, innit?
You left it there.
HD 60, is that all good?
That's the first start.
Well, I'm putting 4K, but
If you don't fire fireworks.
gets upscale to it anyway, because like I go into the Premier Pro 2022.
So,
That's the Russian one. I had another one before.
Part of the KGB.
we're currently buying again. Waiting 2 hours for this.
Wait, Josh, how do I make my camera better? Like it's like that. How do I make it better? Oh, what do I put on it?
He's got back in, you know.
I like Donald Trump because he's nuts and stops all the immigrants coming in.
It's not the whole night open Trump to win.